This is Lindsay and Becky from NIU STEAM. We're here to highlight some STEAM-centered places to go on the NIU campus. Let's talk to Jeremy Benson from the Department of Physics.
The NIU Observatory is an astronomical observatory managed by the NIU Department of Physics. It's located atop Davis Hall in the center of NIU's main campus here in DeKalb. We're open generally at least one night a week to the public, and it is free for anybody who would like to come up. For information on when we will be open and other events that we're hosting, the best way to follow us is on Facebook at NIU Observatory at Facebook.
What is the main goal of the NIU Observatory?
The main goal of the NIU Observatory is to share our love of the night sky with as many people as we can. With so many computer-generated images and digitally enhanced photographs around, it's a very profound experience to actually see something like a planet or a nebula for yourself, using only lenses and mirrors. One of our favorite things is seeing the surprised and amazed reactions of guests who are seeing the rings of Saturn or the craters on the moon up close for the very first time with their own eyes.
What are some far-out things you can typically observe?
Our favorite thing to view is the moon, because it's the only object close enough for us to see any actual surface details. The best time to look is when part of the moon is in shadow, and right along that line is where you'll see the best details. We also love to view Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, as well as a few of the brighter deep space objects like the Orion Nebula. Because campus is always well lit for safety, we do have a harder time seeing fainter objects from the observatory. However, we also have a collection of traveling scopes that we can bring out to darker areas to view those fainter objects.
Is there any exciting space news you would like to share?
We just received our new eyepiece camera and hope to be able to start doing some virtual live streamed events soon. The first of these will be for the upcoming solar eclipse on April 8th. We'll also be having an eclipse party here on campus outside the observatory in the courtyard behind Davis Hall. There will be games and activities, we'll be making DIY eclipse viewers, and we'll have free eclipse glasses to hand out to everyone while supplies last.
How can people safely observe the solar eclipse from home?
There are lots of different designs for DIY pinhole viewers, some requiring a bit of construction, some as simple as holding up a pasta strainer. The important thing is to make sure we're not looking directly at the sun without protection. Normally we avoid looking right at the sun because it's so bright it hurts our eyes. But because some of that light is blocked during an eclipse, we may not get that same reflex to look away. However, even during an eclipse, the sun still produces more than enough energy to damage our eyes, including powerful ultraviolet light that we can't see. Without the full brightness causing us to squint or look away, we could end up exposing our eyes to dangerous amounts of energy without even realizing it. Because of this, pinhole viewers should only be used to view a projected image of the sun. You should only look directly at the sun if you are wearing appropriate eye protection, like eclipse glasses or a welding mask.